What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have some garlic butter lobster tails. So easy to make. Let's get into it. You want to begin with some melted unsalted butter. Then you're going to combine that with all the ingredients listed on your screen. Of course, they'll be all listed down in the description box as well for you to reference to. Go ahead and get yourself a spoon and just mix everything together. We are going to be working with 3 warm water lobster tails. I always begin by cutting off these little flappers on the bottom side of the tail, just like so. Once we have that taken care of, we're gonna take our kitchen shears and go along the top of that shell, okay? You're gonna cut all the way back and you're gonna kind of pry it open slightly and carefully. Use your hands and get that lobster meat to prop right on top of that shell so we have a beautiful presentation for our lobster. Go ahead and do that until you have all your lobsters ready to be seasoned up. Moving on, we're gonna take our little brush here and we're just gonna paint these lobster tails with all this delicious flavor right here. Go ahead and make sure your lobsters are well coated up. Do not forget the underside of that lobster meat. We want to make sure that gets some of this goodness as well. And at this point, you do want to preheat your oven to 385 Fahrenheit, okay? This recipe right here, like I said, so easy, so delicious, guys. You definitely are gonna want to give this one a go. Please trust and believe me. Go ahead and continue and make sure all your lobster tails are well coated up. And once they are, we are gonna transfer them into a baking tray, baking dish, tomato, okay? And we're gonna pop it right in the oven, like I said, about 385 Fahrenheit. And we're gonna let it go for about 15 to 20 minutes ish, okay? It depends on the size of your lobster. Cook time will vary. If you're cooking some smaller lobster tails, it's gonna cook quicker, obviously. So go ahead and prop them in there, and once they are done, you should be looking good. You should be looking amazing. Something like this right here. My goodness, looks are not deceiving you right now. It is as delicious as it looks. I'm letting you know. Come on now, plate up, bust down. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all on the next one. Deuces.